Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope all you are going good. So today we are going to discuss about computer networks part 3. Part 1 and 2 already uploaded in my YouTube channel. First you watch that one. Today we are going to discuss about reference models. First one is OSI reference model. OSI means Open System Interconnection. It is developed by ISO, that is International Standard Organization. It deals with connecting upon open systems, that is systems that are open for communication with other systems. Okay, here 7 layers are there. First we will discuss about physical layer. It transmits raw bits over a communication channel. That is, it makes sure that when one side sends a 1 bit, it is received by other side as a 1 bit, not as a 0 bit. Okay. Next is data link layer. Here the sender break input data to data frames and transmit the frames sequentially. If service is reliable, the receiver confirms correct receipt of each frame by sending back an acknowledgement frame. Okay. Next is network layer. It controls operations of a subnet. Here the design issue is how packets are routed from source to destination. Routes are based on static tables that are wired into the network and are rarely changed. They can also be determined at the start of each conversation. For example, terminal section. If too many packets are present in the subnet at the same time, they will get into one another's way, forming bottleneck problem. So the control of such congestion belongs to network layer. When a packet has to travel from one network to another, it gets it to another to get its destination. Many problems will occur. So the addressing used by second network may be different from the first one. The second one may not accept the packet at all because it is too large. Network layer overcome all these problems to allow heterogeneous networks to be interconnected. Okay. Next is transport layer. Its function is to accept data from above, split it up into smaller units if needed, then passes to the next layer. It also determines what type of service to provide to the session layer. And here transponder connection is an error-free point-to-point channel that delivers messages or bytes in the order in which they were sent. It also transports isolated messages with no guarantee about the order of delivery. Okay. Next is session layer. It allows users on different machines to establish sessions between them. Sessions offer services including dialog control. Means it keeps track of whose turn it is to transmit. Okay. The next is token management, preventing two parties from attempting same critical operation at same time. Then next is synchronization, that is checkpointing long transmission to allow them to continue from where they were after a crash. Okay. Next is presentation layer. It concerned with the syntax and semantics of information transmitted. That is, in order to make it possible for compilers with the different data representations to communicate. Here the data structures to be exchanged can be defined in an abstract way along with a standard encoding to be used on the wire. Okay. So it manages these data structures and allow higher level data structures to be defined and exchanged. Next one is application layer. It contains a variety of protocols used by users. That is HTTP. First one is HTTP, where that means a hypertext transfer protocol, which is the basis for World Wide Web. Then when a browser wants a web page, it sends the name of page it wants to a server using HTTP. Then server sends a page back. Okay. That's all about OSI reference model. So we will discuss all these 7 layers. Next we are going to discuss about TCP/IP reference model. This is the TCP/IP reference model. It contains application layer, transport layer, internet layer and link layer. So first we will discuss about application layer. So TCP/IP reference model means its ability to connect multiple networks in a seamless way, and it was defined by Sirfan Khan in 1974. Okay, first we will discuss about application layer. Okay. So this is top layer. It contains all high level protocols. For example, telnet, FTP, SMTP, etc. Okay. So telnet is used for virtual communication. That is, it allows a user on one machine to log on to a distinct machine and work there. Next, FTP means file transfer protocol. It provides a way to move data efficiently from one machine to another. Then SMTP, simple mail transfer protocol. That is just kind of file transfer, but later a specialized protocol, that is SMTP, is used for transferring data. Okay. Next, we will discuss about transport layer, the layer above the internet layer. So it is designed to allow peer entities on source and destination host to carry a conversation. Two end-to-end of transfer protocols have been defined here. First is TCP and other one is UDP. TCP means a transmission control protocol. It is reliable, it is connection oriented, and it allows a byte stream originating on one machine to be delivered without error on another machine in internet. Okay. So TCP also handles flow control to make sure a fast sender cannot swamp a slow receiver with more messages that it can handle. Okay. Next is user datagram protocol. It is unreliable connectionless protocol for applications that do not want TCP sequencing or flow control and it wish to provide their own. Okay, it is also used for one-shot client server type request reply queries and applications in which prompt delivery is more important than accurate delivery, such as transmitting speech or video. Okay. Then next one is internet layer. It defines an official packet format and protocol called IP, that is internet protocol. Its job is to deliver IP packets where they are supposed to go. So the last one is link layer. It is the lowest layer. It describes what links such as serial lines and classic internet must do to meet the needs of this connectionless internet layer. It is an interface between host and transmission link. Okay. So that's all. Hope all you understood this. So see you soon on next video. Bye bye all. Take care. Love you.